Welcome back, everybody. Tips quick here. We're going to be going over the Mossberg 600 today. We'll start off by making sure she's empty, nothing in there. She's clear, as you can see. First thing, when you're going to disassemble, you're going to take this off just by spinning it counterclockwise. Once you have that off, set it to the side. Top comes right off, just like that. We're going to set this down. I like to flip the gun around upside down like this. We got a pin right here. I'm going to puncture right there. Comes out the other side. Other side. I'm going to puncture it a little more and pull it. Comes right off. It's a breakdown pin. Trigger assembly comes right out. Now this is where I do my cleaning. Get up in there real good. Putting it back together. Reverse order. I'm gonna pop this bad boy back in. Alright. Now that we got that back in, we're gonna put the breakdown pin back in here. So you can see what I'm doing. Just getting this pin lined up right, pushing it in so it's flush, smooth groove. Flip the gun around, grab this, slide it back on in. And we're gonna get this bad boy, tighten her up. Go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Have a good day.